Good morning, dear children. I hope you all have understood what I taught you yesterday in chapter 3 Little Red Hen. Today we will read page number 23 and 24 and I will explain you the story also. So let's start reading page number 23. Put your finger where I am reading. The wheat is ripe now. Who will cut and thresh it? Asked Little Red Hen. So the Little Red Hen says that now the wheat is ripe. Ripe means full growth, ready to eat. जैसे कोई फसल बिल्कुल पक जाती है ना, तो अब उसको हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, उसे खा सकते हैं, काट भी सकते हैं. Means it is ready to be cut. Children, as you can see clearly in the picture, we don't find grains individually. It is in a bunch. Bunch आप समझ रहे ना कि जो grains हैं वो अलग अलग नहीं हैं. सारे grains जो wheat का जो एक plant है उसके अंदर छोटे छोटे बहुत सारे grains हैं. Children, can you see in this picture? Now it needs to be cut. You are not going to separate it by breaking it into one pieces. अब एक एक दाना तो हम नहीं निकालेंगे. तो what is usually done, the whole bunch is taken into the hand and then it is threshed. It means you start taking bunch in your hand and then you start beating it into the ground. तो क्या करते हैं, ग्रेन्स को प्लांट से अलग करने के लिए आप क्या करते हैं, जो पूरा जो बंच है उसे पहले वहाँ से खेत से उसको काटेंगे, प्लांट से अलग करेंगे. फिर उसके बाद उस बंच को ज़ोर से क्या करेंगे, ज़मीन पर उसको पटकेंगे, बीट करेंगे विथ फुल एनर्जी. तो क्या है, ग्रेन्स प्लांट से अलग हो जाएंगे. सो दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड थ्रेशिंग. तो थ्रेश का मतलब क्या है, टू सेपरेट द ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम द प्लांट बाय बीटिंग. आई होप चिल्ड्रन यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड द मीनिंग ऑफ थ्रेश. सो शी planted the grain. Now the wheat is ripe. Now her next question was to everybody. What will be the next question? That who will cut and thresh it? All the three of them replied the same, that I will not do it. Not I, said the lazy dog. Not I, said the sleepy cat. And not I, said the noisy duck. So, why did they do so? Because they were all lazy. Lazy means क्या होता है, आलसी. हमने आपको एक moral story भी भेजी थी. Do you remember? Yes. And they did not want to work, whereas the hen was very active and hardworking. The hen never said no to anyone. When all three of them said no, then there was nobody else to do all these things. So she said, okay, then I will. Then I will, said the little red hen. She cut it with her bill and threshed it with her wings. Now you can see clearly in this picture that she has a tool in her hand. Look at the top picture on the left side. The hen has a tool in her hand, a C-shaped tool. Can you see in this picture? And she is holding the plant of the wheat by her left hand and the tool in the right hand, so she can easily cut the plant. So ये जो टूल है C shaped में, इसे हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, बिल. bill, bill, a tool to cut. और इसका इस्तेमाल क्या होता है? मोस्टली इसका इस्तेमाल खेत में ही होता है फसल वगैरह को काटने के लिए, and it is very sharp. So she cut it with her bill and threshed it with her wings. What did she do? She did not have proper hands like us, so her wings are her hands only. So she threshed with her wings. उसने क्या किया? उसने वीट के दाने जो भी प्लांट में थे उसको प्लांट से अलग कर दिया. ओके, with the help of her wings. Now we read ahead. Who will take this wheat to the mill? She asked. Now what is a mill? हिंदी में आप सबने सुना होगा ना, चक्की. तो in this place the wheat is grinded, और उसको ग्राइंड करके, ग्राइंड मतलब पीसना, तो उसको ग्राइंड किया जाता है, एंड देन आफ्टर इट्स बीन ग्राइंडेड देन इट बिकम्स flour, means आटा. हाउ डू यू ईट रोटी? यू डिडंट ईट विथ wheat grains. आप wheat grains तो नहीं खाते ना, तो आप क्या खाते हैं? आप रोटी खाते हैं, और वो किससे बनती है? आटा, मीन्स फ्लावर से. और मम्मा पापा इतने सारे wheat grains को घर में तो नहीं पीसते. आपने देखा ना कितने छोटे 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 से wheat grains हैं, बहुत सारे. सो हाउ डू वी गेट this flour or atta? We are getting the wheat powder. So the powder और पिसा हुआ आटा is in English is known as flour, flour. मिल पर wheat grains को पीसा जाता है, so then it becomes a fine powder, and then it is packed thereafter. So this was the third job. पहला काम क्या पूछा था हैन ने अपने फ्रेंड्स को? Who is going to plant the grains? They said no. Secondly, she asked, who is going to cut the plant and thresh it? Again they said no. Third time she asked, who will take this wheat to the mill? So again their answer was no. Not I. Not I, said the lazy dog who was sitting behind the cat. He was just simply sitting. Not I, said the sleepy cat who was jumping over the bench. She was just jumping here and there, and she said no. Not I, said the noisy duck who was swimming in the pool. So children, the duck was swimming in the pool. All three of them again said no to it. Then I will, said the little red hen. She took the wheat to the mill for grinding it. Then she carried the flour back to the farm. Then what happened finally? Finally, the hen said, then I will. फाइनली जो लिटिल रेड हैन थी वो अकेली इतना सारे व्हीट ग्रेन्स को लेकर कहाँ गई? मिल में गई उन्हें पिसवाने के लिए, और फिर वो लौट क्या लेकर आई? फार्म पर वापस वो फ्लावर यानी कि आटा लेकर आई. नाउ शी सेज द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. नाउ द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, हु विल मेक bread with this flour? She asked. Children, now take out next page, page number 24. Now her question is, who is going to make bread with this flour? And again everybody answered, not I, not I. Not I, said the lazy dog. Not I, said the sleepy cat. Not I, said the noisy duck. All three wanted to enjoy it, and the little hen was so sweet that she did not fight. She never ever questioned that why you don't want to do. She said, okay, if you do not do, then I will do it. And she says, then I will, said little red hen. She made and baked the bread. Then she asked, who will eat this bread? And everybody, that is all three of them, they were so smart. They thought, yes, we have not done any hard work, and then we are going to get yummy bread. So everybody said, I will, barked the lazy dog. I will, purred the sleepy cat. I will, quacked the noisy duck. So, children, what are these words? Barked, purred, quacked. These are the sounds made by these animals. Okay, children. And then what happened? This time, what happened? And then the little hen said, finally, she said, no, said the little red hen. I will eat it all by myself. And she ate the bread herself. तो फाइनली फर्स्ट टाइम उस रेड hen ने क्या बोला? नो. उसने बोला कि नहीं, अब इस ब्रेड को मैं खुद खाऊंगी. और उसने उस ब्रेड को बहुत मज़े से आराम से खाया अकेले, क्योंकि सारी मेहनत तो उस hen की थी ना. So children, I hope children, with this you have understood the sweet story about the hen and the three lazy animals around her. Children, all of you, read this story 2 or 3 times today. Children, read a lot. I hope you all enjoyed this story. Have a good day. Thank you.